Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use a Discord soundboard. First, go to your browser and search for download VoiceMod. Here, click to open this website voicemod.net for free real-time voice changer. Once you're in, click on Get VoiceMod free to download it. After that, go to your PC and open Downloads. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator. Click on Cancel and head towards your desktop. Now you need to open the Discord app. Click on the setting icon on your bottom left. Here you'll find the option of Voice and Video. Click to open it. Change the input device from default to microphone, VoiceMod Virtual Audio Device. Also, change your output device from default to speakers. That's it. Your Discord soundboard is all set to be used. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.